This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a close to the Loop, West Loop location, steps from restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit, for a tour of one of the apartments at Presidential Towers. I'm in Unit 2907 in Tower 4. It's a studio apartment. It's a linen closet off to the left as you enter. An attractively finished bath with gray tile, white fixtures, an espresso tone cabinet. As you head into the living area, you just have a ton of closet space. Wide closets off to the left and off to the right. You have plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. And just look at the size of this living, dining, sleeping area. One of the largest I've seen in any high-rise in a studio in downtown Chicago. A lot of space, a lot of flexibility in how you live here. The unit is very bright, has lots of south-facing windows, great views out to the east toward the Willis Tower, looking south over the park where neighbors are gathering to socialize with their pets, looking out west toward the University of Illinois at Chicago, the expressways. You have really convenient access here to the best of the West Loop and great scene. Presidential Towers has a terrific suite of amenities. Heading toward the kitchen, it's a very efficient U-shaped kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, a glass tile backsplash, white quartz counters, an Undermont stainless steel sink, espresso toned cabinets. But the great story here is the size of this living area and the sheer amount of storage space. It's a unit that you have to see if you're looking for a very large studio in an attractive environment in downtown Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.